is the National Weather Service office in Green Bay. We have just activated the warning alarm tone, which normally precedes the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of the warning alarm tone for Noaa weather radio stations, WXJ89 Wausau, KIG65 Green Bay, WXN69 Sister Bay, WWG88 Crandon, WWF40 Coloma, WNG552 New London, KC2XBC Gresham, WNG553 Wasaki, and WNG565 Rhinelander. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn you of an impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. If there's a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over these 9 Noaa weather radio stations in Wisconsin, will vary at any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable for greater distances even if you're using a good quality receiver that is in perfectly good working order. This concludes the test of the warning alarm tone for this week. We will now return to regular programming.